Hey everybody, welcome. Today I want to talk about setting up a new course and particularly in an LMS. So we've talked about hybrid learning and we've talked about online learning, and a key piece of that is working with an LMS. So the LMS that I'm going to be using is called Masteriyo. And this is an LMS that you can set up within any WordPress site. And the reason why I'm using this is because for my personal site, it allows me to create courses and maintain them and everything and keep them all within the site itself. And that makes it far more convenient to manage and maintain everything on the same site. So what we're going to do is go in and go ahead and edit. Now I could create a whole new course from here and just add create course. You do have the option to create with AI if you have a plugin set up with OpenGPT, which is free. You can do that. And I want to keep in mind that I want to outline everything that I'm going to be doing here is with the free version. So if you're going to be setting up your own LMS, you can easily do that. So now I'm going to click on edit. And here you can see I've started setting up the course. I haven't set any categories or anything because I've just been building course pieces. So this is going into learning and hybrid models and what that's going to be managing. And all this is set up specifically based off of a lot of the content that I've already done, but it's to help explain more detail about that. So as you can see, I can duplicate individual pieces if I had the Pro version, which I'm not using. I can always preview the course, I can edit, and I can delete each individual content piece. So let's go ahead and edit one. So we're going to talk about the flipped classroom model. And here's the basic editor. Now you can use blocks. The cool thing is when you go in and preview this page, so if I were to click preview, then here on the preview you can see it automatically adds the title. So I don't need to add new titles, which is pretty cool. If I wanted to add, say, individual sections, paragraphs are by default, but I can add a header and headings. I can add lists through these blocks. Quotes, I can add code. If I want to embed anything, I can embed images or audio. I can also use different design models here. If I scroll down some of the widgets, you can use some custom HTML. So if you want to embed, say, YouTube videos, then you can use the embed code from YouTube and then embed it here with custom HTML. All right, so what does a course look like? Well, let me go back to my builder. Let's go to a page that I've already completed. So let's go to, let's see, hybrid in the classroom, and we'll just preview this really quick. And you can see this is all just text, and I can mark that as complete. I can also navigate through the rest of the course. So here's content that I've already completed that has an embedded image. If I go down here to my conclusions, there's my hybrid in the classroom YouTube video that's embedded in there, so I can click on that and play that. And then I can also choose to complete the quiz. And I've got 4 questions in total points possible, and what the pass rate is for those. And then so let's start quiz. Now, these are all the built-in tools. You also have the option when you create a course of importing your own SCORM files. And we'll cover that when I get into SCORM and start playing around with the SCORM pieces, but I wanted to highlight some of these neat pieces. So why is it important to have an LMS? Well, if you go through the course that I'm building, you're going to see that by utilizing an LMS, you can structure your training to very specific roles. You can structure your hybrid training to include live content and everything. And that's one thing that's really cool about this is you can add stuff like Google Meets, or with an additional Pro plugin, you can also add Zoom meetings as well. Um, all this is put in place so that you can best organize your training and deliver it in the best possible manner. So that is utilizing Mysteriyo to build your courses. So hopefully this has been really helpful for you. If you really like what you're seeing, go ahead and click like and subscribe. Add some comments to the comment section. I would love to read them and hear your experiences with utilizing LMSs. And with that, enjoy your learning journey.